Okay. So we direct go to the question. Okay. First question. Okay. So this is our first question for today. All right. So you can see the question. First of all, anyone here study in BM? Siapa belajar dalam BM kat sini? Because the question I only have in English. Anyone take BM? Can you like raise your hand or anything? Angkat tangan siapa belajar at maths dalam BM? Me, 2 people, 3 people. Okay, 3 out of 9 lah. Okay, so okay, I'll help you to translate lah for those take in BM. Okay, so for those in English, please read the question by yourself. So I'll translate this to BM. Okay, so basically this is the diagram. Ini adalah raja yang mereka beri pada kamu. Okay, this is the diagram. So you can see like it's a bit Kbat lah, dia sedikit Kbat because it's like not a direct question to you. Okay, so you must understand a bit lah. Alright, so the question is, raja di sebelah menunjukkan satu lelayang berbentuk bulan. Okay, this is a kite. Okay, which is in a moon shape. Okay, this is the moon shape lah basically. This one over here, the shaded region, this is the moon. Okay, moon shape. Alright, so then you can analyze the question. Okay, kamu analisis info dalam soalan. So they say that line of symmetry is OS. Okay, paksi symmetry is OS. So if we see over here, OS. Okay, so guys, when they tell you line of symmetry, what is the information that you can get? Bila mereka cakap line of symmetry, this one, they tell this is the line of symmetry. So what is the information you all can take out from here? Anyone? Can you all tell me? What information you can get when they say it's line of symmetry? Anyone? Want to cuba? Don't shy to give your opinion. Just tell only. What does it mean when they say line of symmetry? Not really. Anyone else? This word over here, when they say paksi symmetry over here, line of symmetry, what information can you get from this sentence? Apa info yang boleh kamu keluarkan? Siapa tahu? Okay, basically the information you can keluarkan is it has the same area. Okay, luas yang sama. Do you guys understand why is it the same area? Because they say line of symmetry means basically I use 2 color to show you. This blue color area, luas kawasan berwarna biru, and the green color area, luas kawasan berwarna hijau, they should be the same area. Luas dia sama. Can you all understand, guys? Means the blue color area is equal to the green color area. Luas is sama. Alright, because of this sentence over here, line of symmetry. Okay, symmetry means same area. Alright, so this is the information you all can get from here. Okay, so this is the first part. And then, if you continue to read the question, they say that AQB is an arc of a sector, circle with center O. Okay, so they say that AQB is arc of a sector. Alright, so guys, where is the sector? Can you all tell me? Over here. They say that AQB is the arc. So what is the sector name here? Can you all tell me? Apa nama sektor kat sini? Bila panjang lengkung dia adalah AQB. Anyone know? What is the label for our sector here? Sector. Sector must have 3 labelings. No, APO is triangle, koyang. No, APB is straight line. Yes, Tanziheng, AOB, correct. All right, so guys, AOB, this is the labeling for our sector. Okay, so that's why they say AQB is the arc. Okay, AQB is the panjang lengkok. Yeah, I follow your back name lah. Okay, I call you Emmanuel. All right. Okay, so yeah, correct. Okay, so then they tell you that radius 20 cm. Okay, jejari is 20 cm. So now guys, they already label for you lah. Okay, so you don't need to do anything. Okay, but from here, Can you all tell me another two lengths which is equal to 20 cm? Can anyone tell me the answer? Mana dua panjang sama dengan panjang OA 20 cm? Yes, OB is 20 cm. One more. Anyone know? There is one more. No. No. How can be BR? BR is already out of the sector. Within the green color sector, yes, OQ, correct. Okay, OQ is 20 cm. Okay, this is another length which you can get 20 cm. So anyone don't understand why OQ is 20 cm? Raise your hand. Siapa tak faham mengapa OQ sama 20 cm? Okay, so basically why OQ is 20 cm is because AOB is a sector. Okay, based on the question. Okay, AOB adalah satu sector. So means that the sector radius it rotate come to the center. So the center here is OQ based on the diagram. Then it rotates some more, it forms the OA. Can you all see it? Okay, that is why OQ must have same length as OA and OB, which is 20 cm, 20 centimeter. All right. So this is the information you can analyze. Okay, so far there is some more information. Okay, so they tell you that APBR is semicircle with center P radius again 16 cm. Okay, so you can see over here APBR semicircle. Okay, correct. And then they tell you that radius 16 cm. Jejari semi bulatan adalah 16 cm. Okay, let me erase first because got some question to ask also here. Okay, so let me label back. This is 20. This one is 20. Okay, so they tell you that AP is 16 cm. So can anyone tell me two more lengths, dua lagi panjang that will give you 16 cm? Anyone? Beside AP, what other length is equal to 16 cm? Okay, very good. PB is also 16 cm, so you can put this sign. Okay, so any more? Any more length that is 16 cm? PQ. Wait, let me see. Let me read the question again. AP. No, PQ is not 16 cm. Anyone else want to try? PQ you won't get. Yes, it should be PR. Okay, PR should be 16 cm. I know the diagram is a bit confusing lah. Okay, but you cannot follow the diagram because the diagram is not drawn according to scale. Okay, wajah tidak dilukis mengikut skala. So you cannot follow the diagram. Okay, why I say PR 16 cm? Because they tell you that APBR is semicircle. So means that the radius, which is PB, is going to spin throughout the semicircle. So means that PB should equal to the length of PR. Do you guys understand this? Everyone here? Why PQ is not the answer? Okay, it should be PR is 16 cm because the radius will always spin. So mean that PR will take the length of PB, which is 16 cm. Understand, huh? Okay, so this one you must get correct. All right, so next one, they say that TRU will form arc of a circle. So TRU, okay, is an arc, all right, and then, okay, they say radius 12 cm. Okay, jejari 12 cm. So guys, can you all tell me what other lengths over here is 12 cm in the TRU sector? Mana lagi panjang sama dengan 12 cm? Can you all tell me what is the answer? This labeling, I think, is S, if not mistaken. Okay, the already rub off. So can you all tell me, beside ST? Yes, okay, SR, SU is also 12 cm. So you understand lah the meaning of radius. Okay, this is also 12 cm. So we completely analyze the diagram already. So this is what you must do, guys. When you see this kind of Kbat question, analyze all the info. Then only start to read the question. Okay, there's one more info. Arc length TRU is 21 cm. So arc length TRU, they already give you an information. This whole thing is 21 cm. Okay, until here, are you all clear? I think should be okay lah to interpret all this. All right, so now we go to the question. So they tell you that they ask you angle AOB, angle TSU in radians. Okay, dalam unit radian. So guys, how to get this one? AOB and also TSU. Okay, so means that this angle and this angle. Okay, so can anyone tell me which one is easier to find first? Can you all tell me? AOB atau TSU? Mana lebih senang nak cari? Which one is easier to find based on your opinion? Okay, yes, TSU. Why you say that? Why TSU is easier to find? Got a can you tell like a reason why you say TSU? Yes, very good. Guna formula saja, correct. You only need to use this formula to find the angle because you have the S, panjang lengkok is 21 cm. You have the radius, jejari is 12 cm. So you can directly substitute and find the theta. Okay, so you should get, never mind, I show over here is easier. You will get theta, this the second part lah. Okay, you will get for TSU is 1.75 radian. All right, I think this one should be no problem lah. This one is the easier part, okay, for bahagian A. All right, so next one, you have to find the angle AOB. So guys, how to get angle AOB? Can anyone tell me? What is the concept here? This one is not so direct. How to count AOB based on the diagram? Got many method actually lah. Ada banyak kaedah, but you can think of the simplest one lah. So anyone want to suggest how to get AOB? Anyone? AOB? How to get this angle? This one. Sama dengan TSU punya sudut. Cannot. We cannot assume it's the same over here. Theta equals to S over R. Let me think. Theta equals to S. Shanice, S how you get based on this diagram? Because they didn't tell you anything on the S, if not mistaken. Find sudut AQP first. Let me see. AQP. AQP, right? Means that you have to draw another triangle here. Am I right? For who is it? Kritika. You have to add a triangle there, then you find the AQP. I think that's what you're doing lah. Then you find the AQB. Okay, understand. Okay, so this method, your method is a bit long lah. Okay, slightly long. So there is a faster method actually. Anyone notice? Can you all think of a faster method besides this? We want to make our working as short as possible. 60 degrees. How you get 60 degrees? Which one? Oh, triangle. Okay, Ken, are you referring to this triangle? Okay, Ken. Okay, that is the correct approach. Okay, yes, very good. All right, guys. So if you refer to Koyang's comment, you can actually use this triangle AOP to find out the angle AOP. All right, kamu boleh cari sudut AOP dulu. So how to get AOP, guys? What concept do we use over here to get the AOP angle? Our simple concept that you all learn in maths lower form. Find panjang lengkok AQB first, can but you don't have the angle, Pritika. AOB is our question. We don't have the angle, so we cannot find the panjang lengkok AQB. There is no way. Okay, so we need the angle. If no angle, cannot find. Okay, so basically we can use SOHCAHTOA to get this angle first. Okay, do you all remember SOHCAHTOA? I think you all should remember lah. This one is hypotenuse. This one is this one hypotenuse. This one is opposite. Okay, so guys, what do you all use here? SOHCAH or TOA in this situation? You have opposite, you have hypotenuse. Yeah, correct. Okay, you use sine. Very good. Okay, so yeah, you can use that lah. So you just take sine AOP is 16 over 20. So guys, the answer you get here, may I know, is it in radian unit or degree unit? Jawapan for sine AOP. Your angle is in degree or radian. Okay, very good. is in degree. Okay, make sure you must convert to radian because final answer I think they want in radians. Okay, so you need to convert it to radian. Okay, so 16 over 20, you shift sign, you will get 53.13. Okay, 53.13 degrees. Okay, so then you just need to convert to radian lah. So guys, kalau nak tukar dari darjah ke radian, what do we do? Times what? Can you all remember? How is the conversion? Yes, very good. Okay, but guys, be careful over here. The question, if you read the question, kalau kamu nampak soalan ni, adakah mereka bagi tahu nilai pi sama dengan apa? Do they tell you the pi value? Don't have, right? So guys, if they never give you the pi value, right, you should actually don't use 3.142. You just key in the value of pi in your calculator. Use the value of pi. In your calculator, you got a pi symbol at the bottom here. So tekan that symbol. Okay, don't use 3.142. Don't use 22 over 7. Guna symbol pi. Nilai sebenar. Okay, because they never give you any nilai. Alright. So then you can count already lah. So theta radian equals to, you just press calculator. You will get, let me try, shift sign times pi over 180. You will get 0.928 radian kalau kamu kira dengan betul. Okay, so this, you must remember guys, we only count for one side. Satu bahagian saja. There is another part to count over here, which is this part. Okay, over here. This angle we don't know yet. So guys, do I need to use the SOHCAHTOA again for this triangle to count? Perlu tak saya kira lagi sekali the angle for BOQ? Okay, no need. So what we do? If no need to count again, what do we have to do? Yes, very good. Darab dua saja nilai ni, you will get the answer for the question already. Because the angle is the same. Sudut sama. So you will get 1.855 radian. Yes. Okay, this is the answer. Understand guys? Faham? This is paling mudah lah. Sangat pendek. Okay? Not much working to do. Alright? So, there is a shorter method actually. Besides this lah. Okay? Besides the SOHCAHTOA, right? Selain kaedah ini, sebenarnya ada satu lagi kaedah I want to show you all. Okay? Maybe you all never realize this method yet lah. Okay, I try to show you all based on the diagram. Okay, guys. So based on the diagram, we already got this one 16, right? And then we know this is 20, this is 20 cm. Correct. So guys, can I ask you all, AB, the length I draw over here, panjang AB, what is this called in a circle? Apa nama kita bagi for AB? What is the name we give? Anyone know? No. Tembering is a kawasan. You must remember. Tembering is a region. Okay, now I tanya is for AB. It's a line. So what do we call that line? Anyone know? Kalau tak tahu, you just angkat tangan. If you don't know, you just angkat tangan. If you don't know what is AB. Okay, so I tell you all, AB is actually what we call as chord. Do you all remember this, guys? What is chord? In BM, it's called perentas. Have you all heard this? Pernah dengar tak yang ni? Okay, quite common lah. You all learn in lower form mathematics also, chord. Okay, so guys, do you all know that chord has its own formula? Perentas dia ada rumus dia sendiri. Can anyone tell me the formula untuk kira panjang perentas? I think most of you might not have seen this formula lah. Banyak tak pernah tengok rumus ni. But does anyone know how to get the length of the chord? What is the formula we can use? If you all don't know the formula, you just angkat tangan. I just want to see who don't know this formula. Wow, many don't know. Okay, so I tell you all. Okay, this formula very useful. The formula to count chord is this formula. Ini adalah rumus untuk kira panjang perentas. Okay, I think most of you all never see this, right? Am I right, guys? I think you never see it, right? Actually, this formula tak ada dalam buku teks. It's not in your textbook for admats, but you can use this formula. Okay, because based on some reference book, buku rujukan mereka guna rumus ni. untuk kira panjang AB, okay, which is the perentas. Understand, guys? So, guys, if you refer this formula, you got the radius already. You just need to find the angle now, and your angle is AOB. So, guys, can you see this method is actually faster? Do you all realize that kaedah ini lebih pantas untuk kira panjang AOB? It should be faster, right? But again, your theta is in degree lah, so you need to convert to radian. Okay, but I feel this method is faster compared to this one. All right, the sine, SOHCAHTOA, all that, you still need some time. All right, but the book, they use the SOHCAHTOA method, like what I explained to you all just now, to get the answer 1.855 radian. Okay, guys, so if you want to use the chord formula, panjang perentas also can. You will get the same answer. Okay, no problem one. You can try out and see. You should get the same answer. All right, so are you all clear, guys, with soalan A? Any question you have for the part A? Nana, okay, so we go on to part B. Okay, so for part B, they ask you to count the perimeter of the kite. Okay, perimeter lelayang. So this one not that hard also, you can do. So let me see. Okay, so basically, the kite. So first of all, you must find the AQB length. Okay, kamu kena cari panjang lengkok AQB. And also you need to get ALB. Okay, all of this is the kite actually. Okay, semua ni adalah lelayang. So you need to tambah all of this. Okay, and then you also need to plus with this, and also this one. All of the shaded region is the kite. Okay, kawasan berlorek tu adalah lelayang kamu. Alright, which is a moon shape lah, bentuk bulan based on the question. Okay, over here you can see. Okay, moon shape kite. Alright, so now guys, how do I get the ALB length? Can you all tell me? Macam mana kira panjang ALB? What is the formula I can use? Anyone? ALB. Macam mana kira panjang dia? Yes, okay, you can use S equals to J theta, correct? Okay, you can use S equal J theta. So very easy lah. So what is your J over here, guys? To get AQB, ALB. Apa nilai jejari kamu? What is your radius? You should get 20 cm. Okay, so that's why you will get 20 kali dengan theta. Theta is your answer just now. Okay, your answer just now is 1.855. So you just need to count this one only for ALB. Okay, how about AQB? AQB, what is the formula we use to get AQB? Anyone know? Okay, this one got trick guys. Untuk kira panjang AQB, jangan kamu kena trick. Because I think a lot of you might get confused here. So anyone can tell me, AQB, what times what? Apa kali apa? Can you all tell me the values? Because the value here important. Okay, wait, this one I make mistake over here. So guys, this one for the ALB. Okay, now I ask you the question first. ALB and AQB, guys, you will use the formula J theta, correct? This is the formula to count the length of arc. Okay, panjang lengkok. So now I'm interested in this one. You got 2J over here. You got 16 and also 20. So guys, 16. It will come under this one or this one. Who can tell me the value of 16? Will it come under ALB or AQB for the radius? Cuba lihat betul-betul. See carefully. Anyone can tell? The 16 cm, where it comes under? The first one or the second one? 16 times 3.142 for AQB. Let me see. No, terbalik already. Okay, this one is the common mistake, guys. So you see carefully, yeah. If you see the diagram carefully, there are two panjang lengkok here. There are two arcs actually. So I use purple color for the first one. Okay, so guys, this one is one arc. Okay, ini adalah salah satu panjang lengkok. The second one, if you see carefully, yeah, it comes from the semicircle. Can you see this, guys? So actually, right, ARB, kamu tak boleh guna jejari dan theta ini. You cannot use these values. ARB, you must use 180 degrees times with 16 cm. Understand, guys? Can you all get it? So ARB, kamu kena guna 16 cm, the radius, times with pi. Pi is 180 darjah when you convert to radian. Okay? And then for AQB, you will use 20 times with 1.855. Understand, guys? Boleh faham? Can you get the concept? Can, Okay, jangan confuse kat sini because it's very close to each other. Okay, you must be very clear on it. Alright? So next one, you must find this one. Sorry, you don't need to find already. They give you the answer. Okay, the arc length of TRU is 21 cm. So you already got this value. This one is 21. So the question asks you perimeter. So kamu hanya perlu tambah semua nilai. Okay, so you can see the working over here. Okay, so this is the answer. You find the AQB arc length, cari panjang lengkok AQB, ARB arc length, count the perimeter. Okay, these three values, 21 and 2 times 12, you get from here. Okay, this sector over here. Okay, jejari 12, you got 2 radius, so that's why times 2. And the arc length here is 21 centimeter. Okay, guys, so this is for question B. Untuk cari perimeter, this is how we count it. Okay, so the last one, they ask you to count the area of the kite. Okay, luas lelayang, which mean the luas kawasan berlorek lah. In other words, count the area of shaded region. Okay, so wait, let me see. Okay, so first thing, how to get this area? Let me show you. You tell me the concept, how to get this area. This one. How do I get this area? Can anyone tell me the idea? Macam mana kira luas yang ni? This one might need some time to count. So anyone? What's the concept to get AQB? Find area of segment. Okay, which segment? Can you like tell specific? AQRB minus AQPB. AQRB. Koyang. AQRB is the one we want to find. So you cannot use that as your working. Area of sector minus area of semicircle. Cannot. Because, right, you see carefully here, this is your sector. And then area of semicircle minus area of segment. Okay, Ruby, your segment, do you mean this one? The APBQ? The one you say minus area of segment? Is it you mean the APBQ? Half J square, yes, correct. That is the formula, correct. Okay, so basically what Ruby say, I think is the correct one lah. Okay, you must minus the area of segment APBQ. You take the semicircle minus this one, the segment of APBQ. Okay, so this is the method you all must use. Okay, guys, understand? So basically, before you can do that, sebelum yang tu, you have to do something first. Okay, so guys, can you all see this? I show you this part. you can find the area of this sector first. Correct? Kamu boleh cari luas sektor AOBQ. Okay, so guys, what is area of sector AOBQ? You can find out lah, half R square theta. So half 20 square theta is let me see, where is theta? Theta is 1.855. Okay, so this is to find luas sector AOBQ. So first part, can you all understand how to count the area of sector AOBQ? Should be no problem lah. This one basic. Okay, then second part, if you want to get this area, kamu nak cari luas ni, I need to minus the green area, which is this one. So it's basically red minus green, I will get blue. Okay, merah tolak hijau, kamu dapat biru. This is the concept. Okay, because we need to get the blue color first. Then we take the semicircle minus blue color, we will get the pink color region. Okay, so this is the concept. You need two steps, dua langkah. Find the blue color first, then find the pink color. Alright, so guys, this one, if you focus on the green color, what formula can I use here, guys? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? For AOPB. How to get the area for that? This one is relate to your form 4 at maths. Okay, dia berhubung kait sikit. So how to get AOPB? What is the formula? Refresh your form 4. What is the formula? Okay, can. But another formula beside that, that one might take some time because you need to find the height. Okay, kamu tak ada panjang yang ni. This one we don't know. Pritika, we want to find area now, not lengths. Okay, when you want to find lengths, right, we use cosine rule. But now we're finding area, the luas. So what formula can we use? Remember, guys, sine rule, cos rule is to find angle and length only, nothing else. 1 over 2, yes, very good. Okay, that is the formula. Half AB sine C. So guys, do you all remember this? This formula, masih ingat? You all learned this in your form 4 chapter 9, solution of triangle. So you can apply over here into the diagram to find AOPB triangle. Okay, so basically A and B is 20 cm. Sine C, you have the angle also. Okay, you can convert to degree lah, because sine C, you must use degree mode. Okay, so guys, I want to ask one question here lah to everyone. So guys, just now I got the angle is 1.855. Betul? For AOB. So guys, can I use this sine 1.855? Yes or no? Okay, the rest, can I hear your opinion? What you say on this? Can I use this or not? What the rest think? I want to see majority. What you all say? Okay, one person put question mark already. Okay, some more? I want to hear. Is it, boleh tak saya guna sine 1.855? Okay, so basically the answer is yes, you can use it. Boleh guna. Okay, I know a lot of teacher will say tak boleh guna yang ni, correct? Your school teacher will say don't use like this. Sign means must follow with darjah, correct? All your teachers will say like that. But there is a condition, dia ada satu syarat, you can use this one. Your calculator, you change it to radian mode. Kamu tukar mode calculator to mode radian and you press this, you will get the correct answer. Okay guys, so do you all know how to change calculator mode to radian? Siapa tak tahu macam mana tukar yang ni? I can show you. Who don't know how to tukar calculator from degree to radian? Okay, so basically you look at your calculator. I got only for FX570 MS guys. So other model I'm not so sure. I think you all use this model, right? FX570 MS. Okay, so basically you go to your mode, press mode. tekan mode 4 kali. Press your mode 4 times. Okay, you will get this one. Can you all see? Okay, so guys, can you see the word RAD? RAD is number 2. I don't have class whiz. I got FX570MS only. Okay, so you press number 2, you will see radian. Okay, the symbol R appear on top here. Okay, so basically you press sine 1.855, you will get the answer like this. Okay, you will get the correct answer. This is the value. Okay, guys, can you all understand? So basically, you can use sine and also radians. Okay, I write a summary for you here lah, just in case you all confused a bit. But this method that I tell you all, right, is a bit dangerous lah. I'll tell you why is it dangerous. Okay, that's why your teacher always say after sine must be in degrees, cannot be radian. Okay, so basically, the calculator one, you press mode 4 times, then you go to number 2, which is radian, then you key in your value lah, key in value. Okay, this is of FX570MS. Okay, these the steps for those using this model. Okay, you can use these steps. All right, so now I want to explain about the radian. Okay, so guys, just now sine 1.855, right? You can actually change to degree if you want. Okay, you just times with 180 bahagi pi. You will get in degree mode. Okay, thank you. Okay, got people tell already for class quiz. Okay, so that is the method. All right. So guys, I tell you one downside lah, satu keburukan kaedah ini. Okay guys, let's say you have this question in the exam. Okay, let's imagine such situation occur. Okay guys, so you change your calculator to radian mode, correct? But then, after you finish answer circular measure question, selepas habis bab sukatan membulat, you go on to answer the other topics question. Okay guys, can I ask you all, the other topics, everything in maths, you all learn in form 4. Are we using radian mode or degree mode? Who can tell me this answer? For all the calculation in maths, yes. Okay, so guys, this is the problem that happened over here. If you suddenly switch your calculator to radian mode for circular measure, you might have the tendency to forget to convert back to degree mode your calculator. So the following question you answer, you forget to set your calculator back to degree mode, habis. Okay, because all the answer will go wrong. So this is the dangerous part of this method that I told you all. Okay, but hopefully you all remember to convert your calculator lah to degree when you answer the other question. Okay, because answer will be wrong. All right. So this is the disadvantage of this method. So if you all feel scared, tak mau switch between the modes of your calculator, just convert the radian to degree, then sign answer in degree. Okay, guys, can you all understand? There is two methods here, but the one your teacher asks you to do is more safe. Okay, sign, after the sign, make sure degree. Okay, but in reality, I'm telling in reality lah, dalam kehidupan sebenar, you can use sign with radian mode also can. Okay, doesn't mean cannot. All right, understand? So this is the concept over here, okay, that you all can use. Okay, so we go back over here. So now you can find your area of shaded region already. Okay, so this one is half 20 square sine 1.855 times 180 bahagi pi. Okay, so then you can get this answer already lah for this region. Okay, you just take half 20 square 1.855 minus this one over here, this whole thing. Okay guys, are you clear how to get the blue color region? Semua faham macam mana kira yang biru kamu punya? Can Okay, so now second step. You must get the semicircle area, luas semi bulatan. So what is the formula guys? Can you all tell me to count semicircle? luas semi bulatan. This one you all must memorize because not given. Okay, so anyone? Area of semicircle. Apa rumus dia? Yes, okay, 1 over 2 pi r square. Okay, remember guys, semicircle is 1 over 2 pi r square. Okay, if you all don't want to remember, if you find hard to memorize, I can make you all understand why the formula is like that. So guys, if you notice, right, semicircle, semi-bulatan is also a sector. Can you all see this? Angkat tangan kalau boleh nampak yang ni. The semicircle is also a sector. Okay, good ah. So guys, semicircle, can you all tell me apa sudut bagi satu semi-bulatan in radians dalam unit radian? What is the angle? Yes, 180 degrees or pi lah. So this value you will get pi. So guys, can you all understand now why the formula is half pi r square? Okay, it comes from the sector formula only. Kamu modify saja sector formula, you get semi-bulatan formula, half pi r square. Okay, simple as that. Okay, how you get circle is pi r square, guys? Can I ask you all? You can use this concept also and prove to yourself. Okay, circle, how many degrees? Can you all tell me? Satu bulatan. Yes, 360 or 2 pi. So you just substitute lah, half r square 2 pi. So guys, 2 and 2 you cut. What you have with pi r square. So this is how you get pi r square lah, your formula for circle. Okay, you can prove everything in maths. Okay, nothing memorize. Okay, you can always show everything over here. All right. So that is the concept. Okay, so now you can get the area already lah because you got all the information already. You just need to take semicircle, which is half pi 16 square minus this whole thing. Semua yang ni. Then you will get your final answer. Okay, so this is the method how to do. Okay, it's over here. Okay, so guys, maybe some of you will ask me lah, can I write the working all of this one shot, satu baris? Like this. One shot, I write semua jalan kira in a line. Can or not? Kalau saya tak mau pisahkan macam ni, if I don't want to separate like this, can I write one shot in a line, satu baris jalan kerja saya? Yes or no? The answer is yes, can. Okay, but it will be a bit risky lah because you got a lot of values to key in your calculator. Kamu ada banyak nilai nak masukkan. So that is why they separate the working. So that is easier for you to count one by one. If not, you have to tekan all the nilai one shot in the calculator, which is higher chance for mistake. Okay, silap is more easy lah when you tekan one shot. So that's why they press separately the values and then they will get the correct answer. Okay, one more thing guys, I forget tell. Okay, you must find the TSUR also, which is a sector. Okay, because TSUR is also a, where is it? It's an area of shaded region, luas kawasan berlorek. So you must use plus with half r square theta. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, you find TSUR, you must tambah its luas also. Okay guys, so can you all understand the first Kbat question? Boleh faham? Clear? Okay, I feel like quite long also lah, the explanation. Alright, so next one, capital letters already. Okay, next one, more mencabar. Okay, let's see this question. Okay. So they say that, wait now guys. So usually I want to tell you all lah, when the question becomes short, right, in maths, bila soalan kamu nampak pendek is the most hardest one. Okay, so you can see example like this. So this kind of question, I tell you all first. This kind of question, the tips to solve is you have to modify the diagram. Kamu kena ubah suai wajah. What do I mean by modify the diagram? Means that you must add a shape inside the diagram to solve the question. Okay, the question won't give you, you must add the shape. So guys, this is what we call as Kbat lah. You have to modify the diagram they give to you. Okay, so you can see over here, 3 shilling. Okay, they say that Identical. So guys, when you see the word identical, what does it tell you? Can anyone tell me? There is one keyword. Who can tell me? Bila mereka cakap perkataan serupa, what does it mean? What is sama? Yes, very good. Same radius. If the radius is the same, what else is same? Can you all tell me? Kalau jejari dia sama, apa lagi kuantiti dalam bulatan tu sama? Very good. Same radius means same area. Okay, because area of circle, what is the formula, guys? Pi r square. If r is constant, pi is also constant. Means your area is also constant. Everything is same. Understand, guys? So this is the concept over here. When they say three identical, okay, means area is the same, in other words. All right, so they tell you same radii touching each other. Okay, blue colored region area, they give you the value. Okay, so they ask you to find the radius. Okay, cari jejari setiap siling. All right, so guys, how do I find this now? Can you all tell me? The only information you have is this area is 12.842. So what should I do now, guys? How to get the radius? This is the challenging part. What should I do? Apa saya kena lukis? Make theta pi over 3 radians. Which theta, Ruby? Before you deal with the angles, right, guys, you must draw a shape inside first. So basically, what shape you all can think of, guys? Very good. Segitiga sambungkan all the radius, correct? Okay, so you can draw it something like this. Okay, so basically this is the radius. This is the radius. Semua ni adalah jejari. Nilai dia sama. All the values are the same. So you can put something like this. Okay guys, boleh faham? So this is the first thing you all must do in this question. Kalau kamu tak lukis ni, kamu tak boleh selesaikan. No chance. Okay, because kamu tak ada info mencukupi. Okay, so guys, they give you this area, which is 12.842. Okay guys, so can I ask you all, how to get the R now? Macam mana saya boleh cari R? First step yang kamu boleh nampak. Can you all tell me, apa sudut yang ni? What is this angle value? Yes, okay, correct. Okay, because this is a equilateral triangle, segitiga sama sisi. So this is 60 degrees or pi over 3 radians. Okay, everything is pi over 3 radians. All of this, all are same. Okay, semua sama. So guys, you can find the area of the triangle already. Use RIRMU. What is that? RIRMU. Okay, so basically, trigo. So typo. Okay, so basically you can find the area of the triangle. So how to get the area of triangle? Half AB. Your length is 2R, guys. Remember, because you plus both of the radius. So panjang or jejari for your segitiga is 2R. Alright, then your theta is pi over 3. Okay, wait, let me rub this first. Okay, so this is your area for triangle. Okay, then you must minus the tolak what, guys? Can you all tell me? To get the blue color region, untuk kira yang biru punya, kamu kena tolak apa sekarang? Kamu dah ada luas segitiga keseluruhan. So you minus with what? You minus with? Very good. Luas sektor. So luas sektor, kamu ada 3 sektor. So you darab 3. So minus half R square pi over 3. Okay guys? Do you all understand? So this is the concept over here that you all must use. Okay, so this whole value, nilai ni sama dengan apa, guys? Can you all tell me? This whole equation over here is equal to what value dalam soalan? Dia sama dengan nilai apa? Very good. Okay, because you take area of triangle minus 3 sector, you will get the blue color region based on the diagram. Okay, can you all understand the concept? Everyone here can put like for me if you understand. Okay, so this is how you solve the question. So you just need to solve equation and find the R only. All right, so this is the working. Okay, like what I show you all lah. You find the triangle. Okay, make sure convert to radian. Then you find the sector. Triangle minus sector equals to 12.842. So kamu selesaikan. Okay, then you will get your jejari value, 8.931 millimeters. Okay, so guys, one question here lah. This one. So guys, do I get only one value here? Adakah saya dapat satu nilai sahaja kat sini? Can you all tell me? Yes or no? Is there only one value? Adakah dia ada satu jawapan sahaja? Very good. Okay, remember guys, a lot of people forget this when do maths or maths. Whenever you have square root, punca kuasa 2, there is two answer which is positive, negative 2. Contoh. Okay, so for this case is also the same. You have positive 8.931 and also negative 8.931. Okay, but why we reject negative 8.931 guys? Mengapa kita tak ambil nilai ni? Because panjang cannot be negative. Length is not negative. That's why you take positive only. Okay, so sorry. The solution never give you all the concept here lah. But you must understand that there is actually two values. Dia ada dua nilai sebenarnya. Okay, you have two values when you solve this kind of questions. Okay, kalau tak tulis positif negatif salah ke? Nak kata salah macam tak pun sebab yang ni adalah panjang. So panjang mereka expect positif saja. Tapi kalau kamu nak, kamu boleh tulis macam ni. J sama dengan punca kuasa 2, kamu letak positif negatif sini. 79.764. Okay, kamu boleh tulislah jawapan dia positif negatif 8.931. Tapi kamu boleh buat kesimpulan J lebih besar dari kosong. That's why J sama dengan 8.931. Like this you can write your answer guys. You can write like this for this part over here in the exam to show this one over here. Okay guys, understand? This one is just the method of presentation only. Okay, nothing much. Alright? Tapi boleh terus, boleh. Can also, no problem. Okay, you won't get deducted. Alright, so this is for question 2. Okay, I think not so susah lah. Asalkan kamu tahu nak lukis bentuk apa kat sini. If you don't know what shape to draw, then it's a bit difficult lah, this question. Okay, so next one we go to the next question. Okay, so guys, when you all see this, anyone feel hungry here? Angkat tangan. Siapa rasa lapar when see this diagram? Who feel very hungry? God also. Okay. So basically, sadly you cannot eat lah this thing. Okay, tak boleh makan. So you have to solve a question regarding a cake. Kamu kena selesaikan masalah matematik berkaitan satu cake. Okay, so this is what we call as application questions when you apply it to a daily life situation. So this is daily life lah, cake. Alright. So we see the question. They says, okay, this is an important info. They tell you cylindrical cake, guys. So you can already think cylinder formula. Kamu boleh cuba fikir dah. Okay, so I ask you all one question here. Wait, okay. So guys, in a cylinder, okay, they tell it's a cylindrical cake, right? Okay, so cylinder something like this lah. Okay, so guys, can you all tell me? What is the area of cylinder formula? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Luas cylinder. Do you all still remember or not? Because these formulas will be used over here, I think, if not mistaken. So anyone? What is the area for cylinder? Who remember? What is the formula? Hello guys. Formula? Cylinder formula? Yes. Dah forget tadi. 2 pi r. Yes. Okay, will be correct. 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. Very good. This is the formula for luas permukaan silinder. Okay, this is the formula. So guys, one question here. Can anyone tell me these two parts represent the circles in a cylinder? Correct? Because pi r square, the rumus is for circle, bulatan. So can anyone tell me this part? This part represent what in a cylinder? Bahagian rumus ni mewakili bahagian mana? Which part of the cylinder? Anyone know? 2 pi rh. Very good. Okay, this formula, right, very important to solve a question regarding a cake. Curved surface area. Because in a cake, you got a curved surface. Okay, where is the curved surface? It's basically at the back. Okay, kat belakang. These two is rectangles. Okay, you can find using rectangle area. This one is a sector. Okay, you can find using sector formula. But the back part, okay, you must imagine 3D lah guys a bit. Okay, when you cut a cake, there is a back part and two side part, top part. Okay, so the total area is you plus everything, then you get the value. Okay, so 2 pi rh is what we know as curved surface area. Okay, luas permukaan melengkung. So this is what you all must know. Alright, so then you can read the question already. So they say that height 11 cm, radius 11 cm, height 8 cm. Okay, so they already label for you lah. Okay, so let us analyze this one a bit more carefully. Okay guys, so they tell you that OQ sama dengan 11 cm. So guys, can you all tell me other lengths, line panjang yang sama dengan 11 cm? Can you all tell me the labelings? Let's say I give you some other label here lah. So what other length is equal to 11 cm? Based on the diagram. Okay, very good. CB is 11 cm. What else? Satu lagi. Very good. Okay, 11 cm is for this. Okay, so this is what you can analyze over here. Okay, so for the 8 cm, apa lagi panjang yang sama dengan 8 cm that you can get from the diagram? Yes, OB, correct. Okay, so this is also 8 cm. So you analyze everything already. Okay, so then you can read the question already. So they say that uniform cross section of slice of cake. Okay, kelatan rentas yang what to say? Sama lah. Okay, kelatan rentas yang sama. So over here, okay. So guys, can you all tell me when they say uniform, right? What does it mean? Uniform cross section. Siapa boleh terangkan maksud dia? What is the meaning for uniform cross section? Anyone know? They say that this is the uniform cross section. So means what? Yes, correct. So basically lah, it means that this part, right? Kalau kamu potong cake kat mana-mana bahagian kat sini, at the bottom here, if you cut the cake anywhere you like, kamu sepatutnya dapat bentuk ni yang kamu nampak ke atas. This is the explanation. Malay is kelatan rentas. Joshua, cross section is kelatan rentas in BM. Okay, so basically this is the concept lah. You cut the cake anywhere, you will get the triangle on top. Okay, this is the shape. Kamu akan dapat bentuk ni. Kalau kamu potong cake kat mana-mana, kat sini ke, kat sini, semua kamu akan dapat bentuk merah tu. So itu maksud ayat ni. Seluruh ayat ni. This is the whole meaning of this. Okay guys, so soalan this info, right, is penting for you to answer this part. Bahagian ni sangat penting. Okay, untuk bahagian A3, info yang hijau tu. Okay, so then they tell you that okay, radius, okay, POQ equals to 40 degrees. So kamu boleh label lah kat sini. POQ is 40 degrees. So you just need to draw 40 degrees. Okay, so this one over here is 40. Okay, so kita dah habis analisis soalan dah. Okay, so now they ask you to find the perimeter of sector POQ. So guys, how to get the perimeter? Apa kita kena cari dulu? What we must find first before find the perimeter of POQ? Very good. Okay, find the panjang PQ, panjang lengkok. Okay, find the length of arc. So just use S equals to R theta. R is 11, theta, make sure convert to radian. 40 darjah convert to radian. Times pi, divide 180. Then you will get the answer. Perimeter, tambah 11 juga kat sini. Uniform cross section means that you cut the cake anywhere, you will get this red color shape on top. That's the meaning. Okay? You will get the same red color shape wherever you potong the cake. You will get the same thing. Alright? So next one. Okay, perimeter you can count already lah. So basically convert to radian first. Cari panjang lengkok PQ. Find the perimeter. Okay, 2 kali jejari tambah panjang lengkok PQ. Okay, second question, they ask you to find area of sector POQ. Should be no problem. Half R square theta sahaja. So you will take half times 11 jejari kali dengan sudut that you got over here. Okay, this is the angle 0.698 radian. Okay, then you will get the answer 42.23. Okay, so guys, now is the question. Number 3. How do I get the volume for this cake? Macam mana saya boleh dapat isi padu? Can anyone tell me? What is the method? This one challenging a bit. How to get the volume? Anyone? Can you all give suggestion? Try and see. Wrong doesn't matter. Salah tak apa. As long as you try. What will be the volume for this cake? Kalau siapa tak tahu, you angkat your tangan. If anyone don't know how to find the isi padu, you raise up your hand. Okay. Okay, so I explain. So listen carefully, guys. So volume. So guys, you try to think of this lah. Luas segitiga kali 8. Aifeh, mengapa kali 8? Oh, 8 tu. Okay. Aifeh, this one is not triangle lah, Aifeh. This one is sector. Okay, so it's luas sector kali dengan 8. Correct. Okay, that is the concept. This is sector, then you times with the height. Do you all understand this or not? Siapa tak faham apa yang diterangkan oleh Aifeh? Mengapa isi padu tu adalah luas sektor kali 8 cm? Siapa tak faham? Raise your hand. Wah, you all faham already ya? Okay? Don't know Okay, I explain to you all. So guys, the concept is volume equals to area times height. Do you all understand this guys? Isi padu dia sama dengan luas kali dengan tinggi. So this is the luas, this is the tinggi, this is the height, this is the area. So can you all understand why the volume of the cake is like that? Kamu ambil jawapan kat A2 kali 8 cm saja. You will get the volume for this whole cake. Understand guys? So this is how you solve A3. The concept is volume equals area times height sahaja. Okay? So why I say like this? That's why I asked you just now, what is the meaning of uniform cross section? Apa maksud luas kelatan rentas? Okay, uniform cross section means that you cut the cake anywhere, you get this shape. Correct? So guys, you try to imagine and see. This cake, right? Saya nak cari isi padu sekarang kan. You try to compress this cake from on top. Kamu cuba mampatkan cake ni. Kamu tolak dari atas sampai ke tapak. So guys, you all think and see. Will you get the same shape of this until the bottom? You try to imagine and see. You press this cake until the bottom. Will you get the triangle or the sector here? Yes or no? Yes. So that is the concept. Okay, that is why you get the volume. Because volume is the area times how much you compress until the bottom. So that is how you find volume of the cake, which is times 8 cm. Okay, so that's why the working is like this. Okay, very short only. Number 3. Jawapan ke atas kali 8. Then you get the answer. Okay, so the last one for this question, they say that mass of slice of cake is 150 gram. So guys, they ask you to count the whole cake, the mass of the whole cake, luas satu cake. So how to count this? Can anyone tell me? Macam mana kira yang ni? This one is a bit challenging. So anyone know how to get the mass of the whole cake? Macam mana kira jisim seluruh cake? Ini satu keping saja. One slice only. Okay, yes. Why you say 9? Ruby, how you get the 9? Can you like explain a bit? Not so sure. Okay, so very simple guys. How to get the mass of the whole cake is you take one slice kali bilangan keping cake yang kamu ada. Betul? To form one whole circle. So guys, you try to think and see. You have the radius already of the cake, which is 11 cm. Betul? So you can actually find the circumference of the cake. Okay, lilitan cake too. So guys, can you all tell me circumference? What is the formula to count circumference? Apa rumus dia? Anyone know? To get the circumference? 2 pi r, right? You mean? Okay, it's actually 2 pi r. Okay, so you have your r is 11, correct? So basically, you will get 22 pi. Okay, this is for one whole cake lah. Satu bulatan is 22 pi. So now, you see that this one, your length of arc guys, panjang lengkok kamu is 7.678. Basically, your panjang lengkok is going to form the circumference of the cake. Can you all imagine and see? Your length of arc will form the whole circle of the cake on top. Okay, which you found in part this one, part A1, panjang lengkok PQ. So that is why you take the whole circumference, divide by 1 cake circumference. One cake length of arc, panjang lengkok satu cake. You count the value and see. Okay, you should be able to get 9 if not mistaken lah. Okay, let me try and see. Yeah, you will get exactly 9. Can you see guys? Kamu dapat 9. Tepat-tepat. So that is why there is actually 9 slices of cake. 9 keping cake. Do you all understand guys? So that is why the working is satu cake, the mass is 150 gram. So now you got 9 cake, which is one whole cake lah, satu cake yang besar. You buat the nisbah, you will get your answer 150 times 9, which is 1350 gram. Understand guys the concept? This concept very important here, over here. This one here, you must understand. Who don't understand this one? Angkat tangan. Siapa tak faham apa yang saya buat kat situ? Okay, this one need imagination. Okay, maybe I try to find one. Okay, Sat, saya terangkan. Saya guna satu image bagi kamu. Wait, saya cuba Google. If I only show you a picture of a whole cake, then you all understand better. Okay, I go and Google for you. Okay, this one lebih senang lah nak lihat. Okay, picture of a cake. round cake. Okay guys, let me find a nice picture. Baru saya boleh explain bagi kamu. Wait, with cut slice. This one nice. Okay guys, can you all see this picture? Kamu boleh nampak apa yang saya tengah maksudkan sekarang. Let me find a nice image. Okay lah, this one. Okay guys, can you see? This is the slice that the question give you tadi. Betul? This one over here. Okay, the slice. So, wait. Sana guys, I need to think how to edit this. Wait, I take picture first. Never mind, I use in the laptop. Sana guys, saya guna laptop bagi kamu tengok. Lebih senang. Sebab tanpa image tu agak susah. Quite hard for me to explain to you all. Wait for a while lah. I try to search in my laptop. Okay, saya dah dapat dah. Okay guys, you look at the screen you can understand now. Okay guys, can you all see my image? Yes or no? Boleh comment? Can see Okay guys, you try to see this cake Wait, let me make my screen big first. Okay. So you see this. Guys, can you see all these slices? Kamu boleh nampak semua keping ni kan? Macam soalan kamu tadi, like your question. So guys, this is another slice lah, tapi sudah dikeluarkan kat sini. Okay, so basically, saya cari lilitan bulatan. This is the circumference of the circle yang saya tengah tunjuk sekarang. Can you all understand this first? This is what we call as circumference. Apa yang saya gerakkan sekarang. Rumus bagi satu lilitan bulatan adalah 2 pi r. Correct? 2 pi r. So guys, jejari tadi dalam soalan, this one is 11 cm. That's why 2 pi kali 11 sama dengan 22 pi. Okay, sekarang saya nak tahu bilangan keping ni. How many pieces of cake I have to form one whole circle. So guys, I must take the circumference, ukur lilit sebuah bulatan penuh, which is 22 pi. Okay, the whole circumference is 22 pi. Bahagi dengan satu lilitan bulatan ataupun satu panjang lengkok bagi satu keping kek. I divide with one length of arc for one cake sector. Do you all understand guys? Iaitu jawapan kat A1 tadi. That's why kamu dapat 22 pi bahagi dengan panjang lengkok satu keping kek. Saya dapat tahu berapa bilangan keping kek yang saya ada kat sini. Can you all get it guys? Boleh faham? Can comment a bit for me? Okay, very good. So this is why the working is like that. Sebenarnya buku teks tak tunjuk bahagian 22 pi bahagi dengan panjang lengkok tu. Dia terus ke jawapan saja. Okay, but actually you must know macam mana datang nombor 9 tu lah. So this is how the number 9 come from. Okay guys, so I come back to the meeting first. Stop share. Okay, so we continue first. Okay. Okay. Can we use 300? Okay. Correct also. Okay guys, I point out a very important point to me. I also never realized this actually. 360 degree is one whole circle in a cake. Betul? Satu bulatan cake 360 degree. And the question also tell you that one sector of a cake, sudut dia 40 darjah. Berdasarkan soalan kat sini. Okay, POQ equals to 40. So guys, If one small sector 40 degree, I just need to divide the angle lah. Yang besar tolak 1, saya akan dapat bilangan K yang saya ada, which is 9. Also can. So, you can see, you have two method. Kamu ada dua kaedah. Macam mana dapat 9 tu? This method also get 9. My method also get 9. Okay? So, yeah, kamu ada lah. So, this is how we solve the question. Okay, guys? So, are you clear with this question? This question, the last part may be a bit more challenging lah, yang paling akhir punya. Alright? So we continue maybe one more question. Okay, this is the last I think for today lah. Then we continue the rest next week. Okay, so this one, they tell you that, okay, plan. So guys, can anyone tell me what is the meaning for plan? Apa maksud plan? Anyone know? You must understand this. What is the meaning for plan? Yes, what drawing? Drawing from where? Yes, architecture, correct. Yes, Joshua Xavier, above drawing, that is the answer. Okay, lukisan dari atas means your pandangan atas. Okay, up view. Okay, that is what we call as plan. Okay, you must understand that one lah to answer the question. Okay, so basically, lukisan ni datang bila kita pandang dari atas. We look from above on the swimming pool, you get this drawing. Okay. So then they tell you that the depth is 1.5 meter. Maksudnya kedalaman kolam renang tu 1.5 meter lah. Okay. And this word is important. Uniform. Guys, can I ask you all Kbat question? Why must it be uniform? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Mengapa kedalaman tu kena seragam? Siapa boleh jawab? Why must the depth be uniform? Kbat. Mengapa kita perlu buat anggapan ini? Why must we make this assumption? Okay, in real life, yes, you're right. But I mean in terms of this chapter, in terms of mathematics, why must it be uniform? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Okay, so anyone, siapa tak tahu mengapa kena seragam? Very good, Joshua give me the answer, the volume. Very good. Okay, so guys, mengapa kedalaman kolam ni kena seragam? Sebab kita nak dapat volume yang seragam juga. Kita nak isi padu yang seragam untuk seluruh kolam renang ini. Why? Because volume is equal to what, guys? Just now only I tell you all, area times height. Height in this case is the depth, kedalaman of the swimming pool. Okay, the depth. So guys, cuba bayangkan, kalau kolam renang saya tak sama kedalaman pada bahagian yang berbeza. Kolam renang kan panjang. It is a very long swimming pool. So guys, imagine the swimming pool, let's say like this. Tiba-tiba macam ni. Lagi dalam, lagi dalam, lagi dalam. So guys, I ask you all, kamu boleh kira tak isi padu air? Kalau kedalaman dia tiba-tiba macam ni, macam ni, macam ni. Can you all count the volume? If suddenly flat, then suddenly go down, then go down. Can I get the volume? Yes or no? The answer is no lah. So that is why to make calculation easy, untuk bagi pengiraan kamu senang, mereka anggap kolam renang macam ni. It is flat. Dengan satu kedalaman yang konsisten. Macam ni sahaja. Seluruh luas dia, kedalaman macam ni. Maintain, tak ubah. Can you all understand, guys? So this is the meaning of uniform depth. Kalau tak, kamu tak boleh kira isi padu. Okay, so that is the assumption over here. Okay, so next one, they tell you that ABCD is rectangle. Okay, panjang segi empat tepat ni 12 meter, lebar dia 8 meter. Macam soalan label. Okay, so guys, based on this, can you all tell me what other length is 12 meter? Apa lagi panjang sama dengan 12 meter? Can you all comment? AB dah 12 meter. Mana yang lain 12 meter? Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's all lah. Satu saja. Okay, how about the 8 meter? Mana lagi panjang sama dengan 8 meter? Yes. Okay, correct. AD. Okay, AD is also 8 meter. Okay, so you got a lot of info already. Okay, so next one. They say that AED BEC sector. Okay, AED BEC sector. So kamu boleh lukis lah. Yang ni adalah salah satu sektor. Yang ni dan juga yang ni. Okay, so all of these is the sectors. Okay, so basically kamu ada dua sektor, dua segitiga. Two sectors, two triangles to form the swimming pool. Okay, so they ask you to count the perimeter of the floor of the swimming pool. Cari perimeter. So guys, how do I get the perimeter of the floor? Can you all tell me? Macam mana kira dia punya perimeter? The floor is basically this one lah. Yang ni. Seluruh yang ni. Okay, tambah dengan panjang lengkok dia. Yang ni. Okay, the length of arc. So guys, how to get? How do I find the length of arc AD? Macam mana saya boleh cari? Luas sektor tolak luas segi. Xavier, sekarang kita kira perimeter, bukan luas. Luas tak boleh guna. Very good. Use the trigo to find the angle. Okay, as you all can see, right? Kamu ada dua segitiga tadi, macam saya cakap. Okay, you have two triangles. So basically, right, you can use the trigo method. Okay, so where is the triangle? Ini adalah segitiga kamu. Sorry. Okay. So this is your triangle over here, yang ni. Okay guys, can you all see? So this is the triangle that they are telling you. Okay, kamu kena guna segitiga yang tu. Alright. Kalau kamu tak nak, kamu boleh lihat lebih kecil juga. You can look smaller. So guys, can you all see this triangle? Segitiga yang ni, kamu boleh create macam ni pun. Segitiga dalam wajah. You draw a small triangle inside the large triangle. So basically guys, can you all tell me, panjang ni berapa tapak segitiga ini? What is the length? Yes. Okay, kamu kena anggap kamu bahagi dia sama rata. So means 6 meter, 6 meter. Okay, what is the height? Apa tinggi dia? Yes. Okay, 4 meter. Means you divide equally also. 4 and 4. Okay, sebab tadi kamu ada 8. Alright. So then you can get the angles. Mengapa sudut penting? Because you must use the formula S equal to R theta to find your panjang lengkok. Panjang lengkok yang ni. AD. Okay guys, can you all get the concept until now? Put like if you understand. So basically you focus on the small triangle to get the radius of the sector first. Cari jejari sector. So guys, how do I get this length? Can you all tell me? Apa kaedah kita guna? Kaedah yang sangat mudah kamu belajar is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, because this is right angle triangle, segitiga sudut tegak. So you use Pythagoras theorem. So panjang dia 6 kuasa 2 tambah 4 kuasa 2. Okay, kamu boleh kira nilai dia. Alright. So then, nilai ni kamu kena darab dengan sudut. This is the sudut. So guys, berdasarkan info yang kamu ada, kamu akan guna so, ka atau tua untuk cari. What is the angle, what is the trigo you will use? Berdasarkan nilai 6 dan 4 yang kamu ada. Yes, you use tua. Okay, because opposite 4, adjacent 6. You can get the answer already. Okay, tangent theta equal to 4 over 6. Kamu shift tangent, kamu boleh cari theta. Okay, so basically, you take 4 bagi 6 and then shift tangent. Okay, oh sorry, saya pun dalam mode radian. 4 bahagi 6 shift tangent. Okay, so then, so guys, ini satu sudut saja. Dalam sektor ni, kamu ada dua segitiga. Bukan semua boleh guna. Maksud kamu? What do you mean? Bukan semua boleh guna. Yes, actually can lah. Tapi, based on tahap kesenangan lah. Which one is the easiest? This one you got 6 meter. This one you got 4 meter. So that is why tangent paling senang lah untuk dapat sudut ni. Understand? Okay, so that is why this one is 33.6 degree. Okay, so that means yang ni pun adalah 33.6 darjah. So kamu darab 2 sahaja. You just times 2. Lepas tu convert kepada radian. Kamu akan dapat 1.176 radian. Ini adalah sudut sektor kamu. 1.176 radian. Okay, so then S equals R theta. Kamu boleh cari panjang lengkok yang ni dah. Okay, R is nilai ni melalui Pythagoras theorem. Okay guys, are you all clear? So then you can get the perimeter already. Okay, yang ni kamu guna Pythagoras theorem macam saya tunjuk tadi, kamu dapat sudut juga. Okay, based on the triangle 1.176 radian. Lepas tu kamu boleh cari panjang lengkok. Okay, then perimeter, kamu ada dua lengkok, jadi darab 2. You have 2 length of arc, so you must times 2. Lepas tu kamu juga ada 12 cm berdasarkan wajah. 12 meter. Okay, 12 meter, 12 meter. That's why 12 meter darab 2. Then you can get the perimeter kolam renang. Understand guys? Untuk bahagian A, can you all get it? How to solve? Clear, huh? Okay, make sure you all clear. So next one, bahagian B, second last. Okay, let me delete first. Kamu rasa soalan ni lebih challenging kan? Do you all feel the question more challenging guys? Compared to the one in school, berdasarkan sekolah, compared to this one? I feel like these questions lebih challenging sikit lah berbanding yang biasa-biasa. Okay, yang kamu guna rumus ganti dapat jawapan. Okay, this one you need to interpret, analysis a bit. Okay, so now mereka suruh kamu cari luas, area of the floor. So basically, yang ni kamu ada 1/4 tepat. So kamu boleh cari luas lah. Yes, correct. So guys, take note untuk SPM, bab ni, sukatan membulat, selalu dia suka tanya Kbat, bukan yang senang-senang. Okay, so make sure you know how to solve Kbat. Especially Form 5 Chapter 1, dia suka sangat. Okay, in this bab, mereka tak akan tanya senang punya. Based on the recent SPM lah. KSSM punya. KBSM soalan dia lebih senang. But KSSM, this bab, mereka dah naik taraf dah sikit soalan. Okay, become very hard. Okay, kamu boleh tanya senior kamu lah, SPM 2023. Kamu tanya soalan apa berkaitan sukatan membulat keluar, bagi tahun mereka. Sangat susah. Okay, very difficult. Banyak tak boleh selesaikan. Okay, lebih susah dari yang ni. Okay, so kamu kena sedialah untuk soalan-soalan macam tu. Mengapa susah? Sebab kamu kena modify diagram. Okay, whenever you have to modify diagram, dia akan jadi susah. Because kamu kena tambah bentuk sendiri untuk bagi kamu selesaikan soalan. So, that is the tough part. Macam mana kamu tahu macam mana nak modify diagram? Pengalaman. Okay, all of this need experience. Kamu kena banyak buat soalan. Baru kamu tahu macam mana nak modify diagram. Kalau diagram keluar macam ni, kamu modify macam mana. Kalau diagram keluar macam tu, kamu modify macam mana. There is a specific method. To get that specific method, kamu kena cuba banyak soalan. So that's why experience paling penting lah dalam maths. So that you know how to solve. Alright. So next one, area. Okay, so area kamu kira lah panjang, luas segi 4 tepat ni. 12 kali 8 sahaja. 96. Tapi jangan lupa kamu ada juga luas yang ni. 2 yang ni. So guys, can you all tell me, macam mana kira yang kecil ni? Apa konsep dia? Apa tolak apa? What's the method we use to solve B? Anyone? Yes. Okay, you count the area of the segment, correct. So basically, area of segment is equal to area of sector, luas sector, luas sector tolak luas segitiga. Understand, guys? So this is the formula for area of segment. Luas sector tolak luas segitiga. Alright, so basically, if you focus on this diagram, kamu hanya perlu cari satu segmen saja. Because the other segment, luas dia totally the same. So kamu kali dua saja jawapan kamu. Tak perlu buat dua kali. One time enough. Okay, so basically this is your sector. Ini pula segitiga kamu. Okay, this one is the triangle. So, merah tolak ungu, kamu akan dapat bahagian yang berwarna hijau, which is this one. This is the concept. Okay, so half R square theta tolak half R square sin theta. Ini rumus dia. Okay, angle kamu dah cari tadi. Okay, sudut dia 1.176. Kamu gantikan saja. Okay, radius is this one. 7.211. So kamu dah ada semua info dah. Kamu ganti dalam rumus ni saja. Okay guys, I want to ask you all, theta over here kena guna unit apa? Can you all tell me? The angle what unit? Yes, radian. How about this one? This angle use what? Radian or degree? Yes, degree. Okay, boleh juga radian kalau nak tukar mode lah. Okay, kalau tak mau tukar mode, guna degree. Okay, maksudnya degree kamu kena convert lah. This value sebenarnya kamu dah ada kat sini. So 67 degree kamu tekan. Okay, so then kamu boleh cari dah. Okay, luas segmen yang ni. Lepas tu darab 2 times 2 because you got 2 segment yang serupa. And then tambah dengan luas segi 4 tepat. So ini adalah cara nak selesaikan. Okay, sama macam saya terangkan. Okay, luas sektor tolak luas segitiga. Ganti semua nilai. Okay, lepas tu darab 2 tambah luas segi 4 tepat. Okay guys, are you clear? Soalan B. Now kita buatlah soalan dah. Isi padu air. Okay, yang ni paling senang. So guys, isi padu air. Macam mana kira? Langkah dia 2 baris saja. So how to get jawapan bahagian C? Kamu dah kira luas kat bahagian B. So apa rumus kita boleh guna sekarang untuk cari isi padu air? Yang paling senang kamu boleh fikir. Anyone? Cuba recall apa yang kita buat soalan sebelum ni. Yes, luas segi 4 tepat kali dengan tinggi. Maksudnya jawapan B, kamu kali dengan kedalaman. Kedalaman tu tinggilah 1.5 meter. Kamu akan dapat jawapan untuk soalan C. Understand guys? Itu sebab soalan cakap kedalaman yang seragam, uniform depth. Baru kamu boleh apply yang ni. If the depth is not uniform, you cannot find the volume like this. Kamu tak boleh cari. Sebab nilai dia berbeza untuk section berbeza. Kalau kedalaman dia, let's say, dari sini tiba-tiba dia berkurang. Isi padu tak sama dah. Okay? Okay guys? So itu cara kamu buat soalan C lah. Jawapan B kali 1.5. Ini jawapan dia. Okay guys? So are you all clear with the lesson today? Boleh faham what I teach today? Soalan Kbat? Can you all get it? Clear? Okay, so good. So next week, kita continue lagi dengan lebih soalan Kbat. Okay, we continue with some other Kbat question. Today kita dah bincang 4 soalan. Okay, 4 Kbat question tadi. Okay, so anyone new here? Siapa baru join kelas saya pertama kali? Anyone? Okay, so yes, next week at Maths lah. Okay, so for those new, kalau nak join kelas saya, yes, same timing. You can PM my number. Okay, this is my number. Okay, And also, anyone new, if you want like videos on maths or maths, you can subscribe lah to my YouTube channel. Saya ada YouTube channel, so you can find video lah on maths and maths over here untuk bantu kamu. Okay, you can share to your friend also. Alright, this is my YouTube channel. Okay, welcome. So for those that want to join maths class, is tomorrow lah, tomorrow night, same timing. Okay, for modern maths, we are doing matrices currently, entering chapter 2 matrices. Never start yet lah, just entering. Okay, so see you all tomorrow. Okay, welcome. Good night.